Alright, I'm going to do a quick video on this air gun 22 caliber cleaning kit I got. Maxx 22 caliber air rifle cleaning kit, and here's what it includes. Alright, I got this at Bass Pro. I'm going to open it real quick so you can take a look at what the inside of this package looks like. Alright, comes with the cloth, comes with, this will thread into the end of your barrel cleaner. And then it also comes with a brush, wire brush. And it also has this right here. It's got .01 in that threads onto your rod right here. And you got 2 extension sticks. You got a double-sided wire brush right here. You got a thin side, then you got this thick side. Well, this is a nylon brush actually. So I got this to clean my 22 caliber air rifle. And I just want to do a quick box opening on that, and I will do another video of how to clean a 22 caliber air rifle in the near future.